Stellar, or XLM. Stellar is an open-source protocol for exchanging money, founded by Jed McCaleb and Joyce Kim in early 2014. Stellar was initially based on Ripple systems, with the aim of redesigning the global economy for more inclusiveness. But citing the complexity of the system, Stellar later redesigned itself with a brand new system of its own. Both facilitate international payments, but do this in very different ways. While Ripple is concentrating on banks and large financial institutions, Stellar is focused on the peer-to-peer aspect and is mainly directed at companies and individuals. Like Ripple, Stellar offers many different ways to transact internationally, and almost instantly. Users have the ability to exchange fiat currencies instantly, eliminating the need for the money to go through many different banks to make the exchange. If no fiat-based trades are available, users can use Lumens, Stellar's native cryptocurrency, to transact. Ripple is a centralized cryptocurrency and for-profit organization, while Stellar is a decentralized, non-profit organization. Interesting facts. The native asset of Stellar is called Lumens, or XLM. One of the major partners with Stellar is IBM. While Ripple was developed by ex-bankers and financial professionals, Stellar was built up by startup veterans like WordPress founder Matt Mullenweg and Y Combinator president Sam Altman. Jed McCaleb, co-founder of Stellar, and also a co-founder of Ripple, was banished from Ripple before creating Stellar, but he still receives payments from the company.